Hey everyone, it's Rachel from Sugar Maple Farmhouse, and today I want to show you a spring tablescape setup. When I started planning this tablescape, it was originally a St. Patrick's Day tablescape in my head, but as I started thinking more about it and all the elements, it shifted towards more of a spring garden tablescape. I used fresh planted daffodils from the grocery store to set the stage. They already came potted and looked beautiful. I love the height and the sunny yellow color. Then I added in some shamrocks because I had them since they were a part of my original plan. However, I love the way they extended the real florals down the center of the table. I used wooden chargers that were similar to my table color. Usually I wouldn't do this, but I love the shape of them. I think they lend themselves to the natural feel of the table setting. I used our creamy barn plates to bring in a bit of brightness to the table and added green vintage-inspired goblets. I have these in pink and I love them. I'll leave a link for you in the description below. To finish off the centerpiece, I added moss that acted almost like a table runner. I wanted everything to feel really lush, green, and natural. Then, to top it all off, I added in fairies and fairy garden houses. This is a fun way to use your collection in the early spring before putting everything back outside. And it made the table feel really playful and lively. I kept it simple with the napkins and used green linen napkins that I bought for a steal. I love the quality of these napkins and I have them in several colors. They are real linen, but they won't break the bank where your budget is concerned. I'll leave a link to them in the description below. Lastly, I added on some light gold silverware that I've used in other tables I've created. I love the whole overall look of the table. It feels really fresh, fun, and like it's all ready for spring in here. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope that you enjoyed this spring table setup inspired by St. Patrick's Day. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section below. And as always, I'll have a full blog post up at sugarmaplefarmhouse.com with all the details. Also, please remember to subscribe to our channel so you can follow along with everything we're doing here at the farmhouse. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a great day.